guys, welcome to Fathom Soap. Today I'm making this really sweet little soap bunny using melt and pour soap and these little molds, I'm gonna call them, that I got from the dollar store. I think they're actually made to hold candy for Easter, but as you can see they've got like a ton of detail on the inside, so pretty good for making soap. I just started by covering the little holes that were on the bottom, and to do this I used electrical tape just because it's kind of like a thicker tape. I melted down a small amount of clear soap and added some blue color to it. For this step you could use any color or multiple colors for that matter. I just went ahead and went with blue because I thought that blue and pink would be a cool combo. And then for the rest of my bunny, I filled it with pink, clear melt and pour soap. And I filled it up just until it was full, but not totally overflowing. And I sprayed it so that there would be no bubbles, but then I let it sit aside for a couple seconds just to get that bit of a film on the top, so that when I go to put both sides together, the insides don't just like pour out. I added a bit more soap to it, and this is the part that kind of bonded the two sides together. You have to do this part really carefully but also quickly so that all the soap doesn't just pour out. It's kind of like you snap them together. And here's the result. It turned out super cute. This pink color turned out really bright, which I think is great for like springtime or Easter. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos related to soaping and soap making, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.